WTI, and I'm really excited to show you this Fablon rice paper window film. What I have it used for is we started a craft room in the front room, and we have a bunch of containers that I use to making candles in this nice beautiful cabinet. But because of the glass, I didn't want people when they would come into the house to see all of these tins, jars. It just doesn't really look that appealing. So that's why I liked the idea of this. Now this is, as I said, the rice paper style. So it's just a very simple white frosty look that has that almost paper crinkly look all throughout it, which makes it really nice because if you are not a professional, the design makes it very easy to possibly make those mistakes and it still look good. So it was very user friendly. It was easy to measure out. On the back, it had instructions. You could just stick it on if you want, but also if you want to be able to float it and be able to control it, you can spray some water on it and then put it on and squeegee the water out. We tried both ways. They both work very well. This film really made the final finishing touches to our craft room. It really just brought a beautiful classiness to a useful room, and I absolutely love it. I think if you're someone who needs to add privacy to your home or privacy to an area, it is such a great option for anything that you have glass that you can just stick on and enjoy the beauty. And that's my point of view.